works. I got a lot of dandelions outside, so I decided I'm going to try and eat them. Because I had a bad experience in the past where they turned out stringy. I'm going to try and remove the center rib right here. I put the center ribs here in the bin here, and I'm going to cut them out into smaller pieces. About the dandelion plants is that there will be a bit of root here along with the tough part of the stems. So what you want to do is you want to cut to where the stems end and discard the tough root. Although I have heard that the root can be used for other purposes. Right now I'm just trying to eat the leaves. I'm just removing the center stems from the dandelions. It took about an hour and 15 minutes, but it might take less time if you're more experienced. I haven't done this very often. I'm just following what my dad showed me. The procedure goes well. As I've said before, I've never done this. I've done it with other greens, but not with dandelions. Right now I have it on low. I put in a little bit of water and olive oil, and I'm just stirring it periodically. Hope that doesn't burn. I'll show you when 15 or 20 minutes of sauteing right now. I'm going to assume it's done. I'll serve it with some olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and I'll let you know how it tastes. I'm assuming it'll be a little too bitter, but hopefully it will be palatable. Find the balsamic vinaigrette, so I put some balsamic reduction instead. I will now attempt to try the greens. Hopefully they're palatable enough that I can just eat them straight as they are with the sauce added. This method of preparation removed most of the bitterness from the dandelion greens, so thankfully I can eat them without gagging on them. Well, next time I'll probably prepare them with bacon, and that might actually work better for these. This is my first attempt, at least. It was a success so far. If you'd like, you can go ahead and subscribe for more poorly edited content like this. Hopefully in the future I get better at editing videos. Well, at least I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.